carrots. So far, these carrots we've sprayed it with a herbicide. As you can see, there's a herbicide. It's still destroying the weeds. On that side, we put maize. For green maize for patients and the staff. But so far, we haven't started weeding. So far, we will be weeding very soon by around next week. The herbicide that we used to kill these weeds is Lunarex. It kills the broad-leaved weeds and then leaves the carrots. As you can see, when you come next week, you'll find all these weeds almost dead, and the lines will be visible of the carrots that we have so far. These are the onions that we have. So we planted them in June. The variety is Zira. So far, as you can see, we have harvested. So far, we've been supplying the kitchen for almost a month now, but we haven't harvested them. But we've decided to harvest them as green and start using them outside. This onion is a different variety from the one that we have that side. So it was just a small packet. And then this one is Kalonga variety. So we just planted it here. It was our first time to plant it. So I wanted to see its yield and the way how it grows. So the next time when we buy it, also buy the Kalonga one. Variety. So it was just a small packet that we gave as an extra. So we just trying to see how it grows and how it performs and the yield of it. This whole area was green maize, so I want to put butternut as a way of crop rotation. So I want to put maize again because there is maize in the seed. That's why I've